Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to plane cut in Onshape. So first, what you're going to do is we will select split icon right here. It looks like a block cleanly divided into two separate halves. Now ensure the entity type at the very top of the dial box is set to part right here. Click on the specific 3D model or solid body you want to slice open. So I will select this one here. Now select basically uh, select entity to split with selection box, then choose your cutting plane. As you can see, we have part 1, face of extract 1. Now you can choose, you can keep both sides is if it keep both sides if it's selected. If you only want to keep one side of the sliced object, uncheck this box and click the opposite direction arrow, so like that and like so, and click the green check mark to finish the operation. And yeah, this is how you will split the box right here. So if I go this way or go like so, we can, as you can see, now it's totally gone. If I change back this one here, as you can see here, so this one or this one here, it will keep tool. We can also do that. So yeah, you can play around with these settings here. And yeah, but this is the way how you can plane cut. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.